Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about some problems on clocks based upon the angles. At what time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock the two hands of the clocks are together? We know that the two hands of the clocks are together means they are in the same position and the angle between those two is 0 degrees. By this problem can be solved by using a small formula, that is 2 by 11 into 30x plus or minus theta. Here x is the starting time given in the problem, that is 8 o'clock, and theta is the angle. Here given that the two hands of a clock are together. Together means 0 degrees. So by this formula we can substitute 30 into x is the starting time into 8 plus or minus 0. That is 2 by 11 into 240, that is equals to 480 by 11. So 480 by 11 means 11 fours 44, 8 minus 4 40, and 3 33, 40 minus 33 7. So it is written as 43 7 by 11. So means 43 7 by 11 past 8. So the two hands of a clock are together at 8 hours 43 7 by 11 minutes of time. Let's see another question. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will hands of a clock be in the same straight line but not together? Same straight line means the two hands will make an angle of 180 degree. So by using this formula we can solve this problem. 2 by 11 30x plus or minus theta. Here x is a starting time and theta is the angle between them. Angle is 180 degrees. So here we have 2 by 11 30 into 7. Here starting time is 7 plus or minus 180 degrees. So 2 by 11 210 plus or minus 180 degrees. Here 180 is subtractable from 210. So when this value is bigger than this one, so just ignore the addition value, just do subtraction. When it is like 180 plus or minus 210, ignore the negative symbol and add those two angles. So that's why we got an answer 210 minus 180 gives 30. So 60 by 11. So that is 11 5 is 55, which gives a remainder 5 by 11 past 7. So we have to write the starting time of it. So these two hands are at the same straight line at 7 hours 5 by 11 minutes of time. So let's move to another question. At what time between 5:30 and 6 o'clock will the hands of a clock be at right angles? We know that the right angles means the two hands are in the position of 90 degrees. So we have to substitute this value in a given formula. 30 into 5, we have to write hours time plus or minus 90 degrees. So for an hour the right angles will make at 2 times. So you have to do plus and subtraction both values. So 2 by 11 150 plus or minus 90. So 2 by 11 150 plus 90 gives 240 and 2 by 11 150 minus 90 gives a result of 60. That is 480 by 11 and 120 by 11. 480 by 11 gives 43 7 by 11 and 120 by 11 means 10 by 11 past 5. So in the options 43 7 by 11 past 5 or 10 by 11 past 5. Either by these two options you can choose any one. Both are correct. Next question. Find the reflex angle between the hands of a clock when the time is 10:25. When the time is 10:25, we have to know the angle between them by its reflex angle. What do you mean by reflex angle? We have to subtract the founded angle by the 360 degrees. First, we have to find the angle between hour hand and a minute hand when the time is 10:25. We know that when the time is 10:25, the 10-hour position is same and 25 can be written as 5. 10 minus 5 will give a result 5. 5 hours into 30 degrees means hour hand will make 30 degrees. 5 hours will make 150 degree and 25 minutes into 1 minute can make half degree. 25 minutes can make 12 half degrees. So we have to add these two values because we can get here plus 5. So 162 half degrees we can get. Here we have to find the reflex angle. So we have to subtract 360 degrees, 162 half degree from the 360 degrees. So we can get a result of 197 half degree. So here reflex angle means 360 minus theta. So in the previous session and this session we have only two formulas. First one is for finding the angle between hour hand and a minute hand, that is 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. H means hours and m means minutes. And next one, at what time the hand of a clock will coincide, that is by the formula 2 by 11 30x plus or minus theta. Here theta is the angle and x is the starting time. That's it about this video. Thank you.